Bangkok. You've most likely been here. It's one of those destinations that the uninitiated to the world of traveling head to for a gentle introduction of exotic Asia. Staunch and traditional on one hand, loose and salacious on the other. However, the country has all the layers and complexities that let you turn it up to 11. Food, action. There's never any shortage of the frenetic and pulsing energy that defines this as one of the most dynamic cities on the continent. I'm in town and I'm hungry. I have a selection of appointments with my chef pals in the city, which gives me the opportunity to intimately understand where the cuisine of modern Bangkok stands. These are the people leading the way. Chef Todd. Todd's been on a tear lately, earning his Michelin star just a year ago. He's on a mission to redefine Thai cuisine, and he's quickly becoming one of Thailand, if not Asia's, well-known chefs. Chef Ro Serin. To contrast Todd's nouveau Thai cuisine take, Chef Ro Serin at Celadon is taking the traditional Thai approach. Her efforts have garnered many accolades, including taking the honor of Best Thai Restaurant by publications like Travel & Leisure. And to switch things up, Chef David Tamburini. Without a doubt, one of the country's most respected Italian restaurants, David wants Asia to get a taste of his home. It's gonna be a journey of markets, temples, old foodie haunts, kitchen action, and Michelin stars. Oh yeah, and some fishing too.
Oh my goodness.
This is Bangkok and the tale of its best chefs.